can't see how it's true. How could I deserve you? How I love you to the moon and back. Guess that's where up the sky rain. The picnic to the sunflower field. She cuts on her thumbs from the apples we've peeled. She peels my heart open to see just how I feel. Leaving cuts on her thumbs that'll probably never heal. God, it was so blatant, I should've known better. Maybe we would feel so under the weather. I can't give you something that you want forever. We've broken our egos, at least we did it together. We've broken our egos, at least we did it together. I see every little piece of your mind.
You have something to say. Is there something that
Meaning to tell me. Oh, tell me what you gotta have with me, for me, for me. Oh, you see, this is what she did to me. Can I stand it? Could you bear it? Could we share it? Baby, let's swear it. Through. This is what I do to you. Can you stand it? Can I bear it? If you can, we can share it. Baby, let's swear Me and her fell in love just the second one. Darling, with you we got fly on honeymoon. Oh, we danced, we spun, and I met her this sweet like sugar in a spoon. Me and her fell in love on the hardest day of June. She's like heaven, she's a dove, she would do it all for you. I can't see how it's true.